death under section 302B BPC as Tazir for committing Qatle Ahmad of Nabil Sarwar, son of Muhammad Sarwar, deceased, and directed to pay rupees 10 lakh as compensation under section 544A CRPC to the legal heirs of the deceased in case of default of payment of compensation amount. The convict was further directed to undergo 6 months of simple imprisonment. Full stop. The convict was ordered to be hanged by his neck till death. Full stop. Feeling aggrieved, Muhammad Abid, son of Muhammad Amin, convict, lodged the criminal appeal number 34J of 2023 sealing his conviction and sentence. Full stop. The learned trial court submitted murder reference under section 374 CRPC seeking confirmation or otherwise of the sentence of death awarded to the appellant, namely Muhammad Abid, son of Muhammad Amin. Full stop. We intend to dispose of the criminal appeal number 34J of 2023 and the murder reference through his single judgment. Full stop. New paragraph. The parties led their respective evidence in trial, whereafter the trial court dismissed the suit of the plaintiff void a judgment dated 18/9/2012. Full stop. The plaintiff, being aggrieved by the above judgment, preferred an appeal under section 96 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. Full stop. The said appeal was allowed by the appellate court void a impugned judgment dated 7/8/2013. Full stop. As a result, the suit filed by the plaintiff against the defendants was decreed. Full stop. Hence, the instant revision petition learned counsel for the defendants submitted that the plaintiff has completely failed to prove the talibs in accordance with section 13 of the act. Full stop. Further submitted that the trial court void a judgment dated 18/9/2012 has rightly appreciated the facts, circumstances and evidence of the case and hereby has correctly reached at the conclusion that the plaintiff failed to prove the required talib's demand by filing a suit. Full stop. New paragraph. Conversely, learned counsel for the plaintiff has supported the judgment passed by the appellate court dated 7/8/2013. Full stop. He added that the performance of talibs as required by the law have clearly been established from the record and the contrary finding as recorded by the trial court is nullity in the eye of law. Full stop. It is a settled position of law that a preemptor must prove the essential ingredients for the exercise of such right in accordance with the provisions of section 13 of the act. Full stop. It is also imperative that the performance of talibs must be observed in true and complete letter and spirit. Full stop. Such right of preemption is strictissimi juris, strict rule of law, and even slightest non-adherence or deviation from the formalities required by law prevents its accrual. Full stop. As regards, the first talib, that is talib muatibat, statement of preemptor as PW2 is relevant, wherein he admitted in cross-examination that he had gained knowledge of the sale after filing of the suit. Full stop.